morning, this is Malaka Nazneen, student of class 12 Maths, and you are watching Little Flower Children's School Nizamuddin Pura News Bulletin. Today we bring you a special roundup of latest happening from our campus, from exciting competition to inspiring events. Let's take a look at the highlight that made August 2025 truly memorable. On 4th August 2025, our school organized a dictation competition for students of Hindi, English and Sanskrit. The event aimed to enhance students' writing and listening skills while promoting healthy competition and academic excellence. On 7th August, a vibrant Rangoli competition was hosted and as well as the Thali competition, where students from various grades showcased their artistic talents and creativity.
तुझसा ना कोई अपना संग मेरे यूं ही रहना तू.
The event aimed to promote cultural heritage, creativity and fine motor skills among students. The students were very enthusiastic to be the part of that competition. On 8th August, a periodic test was held for students from grade nursery to 12. The test aimed to evaluate students' progress, identify areas for improvement and provide feedback to parents and students. On the same day, a significant parent-teacher meeting was successfully held at LFCS Nizamuddin Pura, bringing together parents, teachers and students to discuss enhancing the quality of education. The event provided platform for parents to engage with teachers or school administrations. On 11th August, the Indian government has been implementing a nationwide deworming program in school to combat parasitic worm infections among students. As part of this initiative, albendazole tablets are distributed to students in our school, LFCS Nizamuddin Pura. On the same day, in a pioneer initiative, our school has launched 3 days AI and robotics training program for its teachers. This forward-thinking approach aims to make students future ready. On 14th August, Janmashtami, a significant Hindu festival, was celebrated with great enthusiasm in schools across India. The festival commemorates the birth of Lord Krishna and avatar of Lord Vishnu. Many enthusiastic programs have been presented in the school campus by students. Small kids were dressed up as Radha and Krishna. The school was decorated with colors and flowers. On 15th August, India's 78th Independence Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism. The event was marked by various activities including flag hosting, cultural performance and patriotic speeches. It is a very proud moment for every Indian to celebrate Independence Day. After a long struggle, we get independence. On 22nd August, our school inaugurated a cutting-edge robotics lab, providing students with a platform to explore the world of robotics and artificial intelligence. It was inaugurated by our manager Muralidhar Yadav. The lab is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and equipment, enabling students to design, build and program robots. On 26th August, Ganesh Chaturthi, a revered Hindu festival honoring the birth of Lord Ganesha, was celebrated. The event was marked by traditional festivities, cultural performance and educational activities. There was a great performance by the students of our school. A great atmosphere was all around the school. The students performed really well on the pious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. On the same day, class teacher conducted a selection process for class monitors. The selection process was based on various criteria, including academic performances, leadership qualities and communication skills. On 28th August, we have celebrated the academic achievement of students at our school who have received 100% scholar batches. The recognition is a testament to their hard work, dedication and exceptional academic performance. The same day, students were awarded with 100% attendance batches that show their dedication, hard work, commitment and excellence. On the same day, school has taken initiative that promotes environmental awareness among children. Paryavaran Mitra batches has been distributed to selected students. On 29th August, the school organized first intra-senior and junior group named Pragyan Quiz competition at LFCS Nizamuddin Pura. The students from other branches have come to participate. The students were very excited from the beginning to the end. In senior section, LFCS Nizamuddin Pura got the first prize LFCS Kridapur got the second position and the third position secured by LFCS Kazimabad. In junior section, LFCS Ghosi got the first position, LFCS Nizamuddinpura secured the second position, LFIS secured third position. On 38th August, Math Workshop was held in Azamgarh to provide teachers for focusing on innovative teaching methods and strategies to enhance students' learning outcome. The workshop aimed to equip teachers with the skills and knowledge to make math more accessible for students. Workshop was attended by Abhyuday, Fatima, Nasiba and Sarita Bhardwaj along with team leader ML Kedia. Thank you for joining us today and we look forward to bring you more updates next month. Stay tuned, stay updated to have a fantastic month ahead. Thank you.